Today we're diving into the fascinating world of chestnut harvesting, where millions of chestnuts are collected and processed with precision and care. Chestnuts, native to the temperate regions of the Northern Hemisphere, have been cherished for thousands of years. These nutrient-rich nuts are not only a beloved ingredient in various dishes, including cakes, but they also hold a significant place in agricultural history. Our journey begins in a beautiful orchard, where older chestnut trees stand tall, their branches heavy with the promise of a bountiful harvest. As we approach the harvesting season, we observe the natural process of the chestnuts detaching from their spiny burrs. These burrs are a unique feature of the chestnut tree, protecting the valuable nuts inside. When the chestnuts are nearly ready for harvest, the burrs begin to split, signaling that the nuts inside are ripe and ready to be collected. It's crucial to time the harvest perfectly. Chestnuts are best harvested when they naturally fall from the tree. At this stage, the burrs split open, and the nuts can be safely gathered without risking any unripe harvests. However, timing is everything. Waiting too long can affect the quality and flavor of the chestnuts, and leaving them on the ground for more than a couple of days may lead to them being taken by squirrels or other wildlife. Once the burrs have split, it's time to collect the chestnuts. In smaller gardens, this might be done manually by gently rolling the nuts underfoot to release them from the burrs. This method requires just the right amount of pressure. Too much can crush the delicate nuts inside. In larger orchards, however, the process is mechanized. Machines are used to efficiently harvest the chestnuts, ensuring that each nut is collected with care and precision. These machines are designed to navigate the orchards, gently shaking the trees to encourage the chestnuts to fall to the ground. Once on the ground, another machine follows to collect the nuts, separating them from the burrs and other debris. This process ensures that the harvest is not only efficient but also minimizes any damage to the nuts, preserving their quality for processing. The company is deeply committed to working closely with its raw material suppliers, overseeing the entire supply chain with diligence to ensure the highest quality results. Now, let's delve into the production processes that yield these esteemed products. The journey begins with the procurement of fresh chestnuts, which marks the start of the company's processing activities before the product is introduced to the market. Upon arrival, the fresh chestnuts are poured into a hopper via a lifting system with cups and then transported to a calibrator. Here, they are cleaned of any plant residues. This operation also serves to sort the chestnuts by size, a crucial step to ensure uniform drying and determine the appropriate processing method. Medium to large-sized fresh chestnuts are partially allocated for the production of Castagne del Pret and partly for the production of dried chestnuts. The Castagne del Pret is a traditional product typical of southern Italy. These chestnuts undergo a slow drying and smoking process over chestnut wood, an ancient preservation method that lasts approximately 20 days. This process imparts an intense flavor to the fruit. Once dried and smoked, the product is carefully selected to remove unsuitable fruits. The selected chestnuts are then roasted in rotary ovens at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. This roasting process brings about significant changes in the chestnut, making them sweeter and more flavorful with a rich and intense taste, perfect for discerning palates. After the drying and smoking process, the chestnuts are peeled using a specialized shelling machine. They are then temporarily stored in containers, awaiting the next phase of selection. The chestnuts undergo an initial automatic selection through an optical sorter, followed by manual sorting by specialized operators. At this stage, a further recalibration is necessary. The chestnuts pass through a calibrator that sorts them by size. The smallest and fragmented chestnuts, created during the processing, are diverted to a dryer to reach the appropriate moisture level before being prepared for chestnut flour production. These chestnuts are also used to produce chestnut granules. The larger chestnuts are packaged in 25 kg bags, distinguished by the tiger symbol on the packaging. The color of the symbol indicates the 4 different sizes available. The product is then ready to be loaded into containers and shipped to customers, primarily targeting Asian, North American, and Northern European markets. If you're as fascinated by chestnuts as we are, don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Whether you have a favorite chestnut recipe or a memory of enjoying chestnuts during the holiday season, we'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting farming documentaries that take you behind the scenes of agriculture and food production around the world. Until next time, happy harvesting.
Welcome to our channel. Today we'll dive deep into modern agriculture, focusing on revolutionary techniques that maximize efficiency and productivity in greenhouse farming. We'll explore how to grow and harvest eggplants using advanced technology. This method not only optimizes space, but also ensures that plants receive the best care from seedlings to harvest. Greenhouse farming has emerged as a transformative method that redefines traditional agriculture. The technique we're exploring today emphasizes vertical growth, making the most of every inch of available space. This method allows us to maximize space savings and use as little soil as possible, which not only conserves resources, but also reduces the environmental footprint of farming. Let's take a closer look at how this incredible process unfolds inside a state-of-the-art greenhouse. We begin by exploring the scale of the greenhouse itself. The Netherlands, a country renowned for its pioneering work in greenhouse farming, serves as a prime example of how modern and efficient this method can be. The facilities here are vast, meticulously designed, and equipped with the latest technology. Every aspect of the greenhouse, from its layout to the automated systems that manage the plants, is designed for maximum efficiency. The protective spraying process, for instance, is fully automated, ensuring that each plant receives the precise amount of protection needed without any wastage of resources. This level of automation also significantly reduces the need for manual labor, allowing the farmers to focus on more strategic aspects of crop management. The journey begins with the seedlings, which are carefully nurtured in a controlled environment before being transported to the main greenhouse. This is where the magic of modern agriculture truly happens. The use of soil in this process is either minimal or completely non-existent. Instead, the plants are sustained through a sophisticated hydroponic system where a nutrient-rich solution is delivered directly to their roots via plastic tubes. This method ensures that the plants receive all the essential nutrients they need to thrive, free from the limitations and potential diseases associated with soil-based farming. As the eggplants begin to grow, they are supported by a system of hanging ropes. The top of each plant is fixed to these ropes, providing the necessary support as the plants grow taller and heavier. This support system is crucial as it prevents the plants from collapsing under their own weight and ensures they can reach their full potential. Typically, each plant requires 2 fixed ropes to maintain its structure and health. This methodical approach to plant care is one of the reasons why greenhouse farming is so successful in producing high yields of top quality produce. The care process continues meticulously until the plants start to bloom. This is a critical stage in the growth cycle, and every effort is made to ensure the plants are in optimal condition. Regular inspections are conducted to monitor the health of the plants and to ensure that the eggplants are developing as expected. This attention to detail is what sets greenhouse farming apart from traditional methods, as it allows for greater control over the growing environment, leading to consistently high-quality produce. When it's finally time to harvest, the process is as precise and efficient as every other stage in the greenhouse. Workers, equipped with the latest technology, stand on automated platforms that move them along the rows of plants, allowing them to carefully pick each eggplant by hand. This process requires a high level of attention to detail, as only the eggplants that meet the strictest quality standards are selected. The workers must be meticulous in their selection, ensuring that only the best eggplants move on to the next stage. Once the baskets are filled, the workers transfer them to the processing area. Here, the eggplants are carefully arranged on conveyor belts for sorting. This sorting process is essential in ensuring that only the highest quality eggplants are packaged and sent to distributors. The eggplants that don't meet the rigorous standards aren't wasted, they are set aside for further processing into various products. Some of the eggplants are transported to a processing facility where they are transformed into a variety of delicious products. One such product is capanatina di melanzane, a traditional Italian dish made from eggplants. In this facility, the eggplants are diced into bite-sized pieces and seasoned with a blend of spices before being mixed with other ingredients. The mixture is then fried and combined with different sauces to create capanatina di melanzane, a dish that is beloved by many for its rich flavors and textures. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the incredible process of growing eggplants in a modern greenhouse. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on cutting-edge agricultural techniques and innovations. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.